So guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video we are going to control our motor using Arduino Uno. So here one thing, here no coding is needed, just we control our with this button. We have taken Arduino for the power supply for 5 volt. So let's get started. So how the requirement is Arduino Uno, motor and push button. So Arduino was motor has two connections, one I placed here and another also places here only. Okay, I have placed here, as you can see. So I will take a jumper cable from the right. Here push button has 1 and 2 pins. Okay, so from the right I will give to the second of motor, on the right from the first pin to second of motor, and take another jumper cable from another of motor to 5 volt of Arduino Uno. Okay, and the last is the here. Push button has two pins. One pin goes to this one, another pin goes to 5 volt, and this goes to ground. Okay, the connection was so simple, we can do very easily. The connection is, as you can see, the connection is very easy. It has been done. So just plug out the Arduino Uno with your laptop and see, if I press this button the motor should glow. See how it's glowing. After leaving it will stops. Again I press, doing the same. Okay, it was so such a very simple experiment I have tried in my home, just for the basics for you guys. So you can try a mini project and start up like this. So if you like this video, just like, subscribe and share. If you got any problem, just comment on this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.